Hey my gators, this is an informative video. So I just squeezed two regular size lemon. They weren't huge, they were nice size. And this is a cup, an actual cup. So now you can see about how much lemon juice you will get from two lemons if you needed lemons for a recipe or if you wanted to make something that needed lemon juice. This is how much lemon juice I got out of it. Let me show you how I get the most out of my lemon juice, out of my lemons. I have a video, and it is actually going to be linked down below of how to use these juicers. But I found another trick because I felt like I'm not getting all the juice out of them. Once they've been squeezed, it's like they look like this, right? But I noticed if you take it out of here, you flip it over and you squeeze it again the opposite way, then put it back in, it'll give you some more juice. So the way that you see me doing it in the video that I'm going to link below, you're going to squeeze it all the way out, then you're going to take it off, flip it over, push it down where you want this part of the juicer to go inside here to, you know, make the concave shape again, and then you're going to flip it around and squeeze it the right way. That is how you get the most juice out of your lemons. And that's what I do. So this is about how much you're going to get from two regular size lemons, if you are wondering. I'm making some homemade green tea. I just brewed it in my I brew my tea in here as well as my coffee. I brewed it, put my raw sugar, which is that sugar there, and that is how I make my tea. It is so amazing. Instead of us having other drinks, caffeinated drinks, and you know what I mean, like sodas and fruit juices that we don't know what's in them, that are not 100% juice. I love to have green tea that I brew and let get really dark, and I put lemons and a little bit of sugar, and that's what we have if we want something sweet. So hope this was helpful to you to know how much you get out of your lemons, and also how to squeeze a lemon with the link below. Talk to me in the comments because I talk back. Later, gators.